Thomas, but you already knew that. Here we are in Photoshop. Actually, we're in Lightroom, but let's go over here to Photoshop. And I am going to do some, I just opened this up, and we're going to do some editing in the new Photoshop beta for real estate photos. So let's go over here and let's take, I really don't like this. Let's go over here and get our L tool, and we're going to get the lasso. We're just going to come over here and fix this. And then oops. Oh, we're just going to do the generate fill, and we're just going to, I couldn't find it there for a second, we're just going to generate fill. Instead of there trying to Photoshop and trying to do the angles and try to do everything, we're just going to see what happens. Let's see what happened really quickly. Here we are. Oh, that turned out really well. Look at that. So even everything that was out of date, out of perspective, and no big deal. All right, let's do a how about we do, oops, let's make sure we're on the background layer, and let's generative fill, and let's do a dining room table. All right, we're going to go in here and see what they have. We're going to go and make sure that we're on a dining room table and see what happens. Let's see. Let me turn off this. I like that. What about, no, I do like this one, but I don't like where we lose the, so let's put it on here, and then we're going to put this on. We're going to grab our B tool, and we're going to be very careful, and we are going to add, wow. So that's right there. So let's get rid of this. Let's change this. We want to make sure that we put this back the way we found it. Oops. There we go. I don't know why that was that way, but we'll put it back. How about, oops, that was that. I'm not crazy about this one. With chairs expensive. Let's see how good we can get this. Oops, let me turn this on to generate. See what we can get a different dining room out of this one. Not crazy about the last one. I wanted something a little more upscale. Ooh. That looks really weird. That is a very dining table. Not crazy about that. Maybe not. Oh, I say chair, not chairs. All right. Let's see what we got over here. Let me see. See if we can do a different dining room table. That's chairs. No. No, I think we're just going to stick with the first one. All right, let's come over here. And we're going to go back to our lasso tool. And let's do this. And we're going to add generative fill. And we'll put bar stools. See what they we should have done bar stools white, but let's see what we got first. I'm not really sure. They did wow. I like those. All right. So there we go. That isn't too bad. I would like to have the dining room table set. And let's turn this off. Let's turn this off. Let's turn this off, and let's do another one. Let's do as though the dining room table is like that. And we'll do set dining room table with candles. Alright, see what happens. I've never done this before, adding so many words, but we'll see. See what the little AI, I said set. Huh. Very bizarre. So we'll just stick with what we had, like that. But there you go. I do like the chairs, but I'm not crazy about the dining room table. Let's see if we can add on to this. Oh no. So let's add on to this. And let's plates and candles. Plates and candles. See what we got. We should have done a Thanksgiving Day. We'll try that again. Let's try a Thanksgiving Day meal. No, that's not what I wanted. We'll throw away this. We'll try one more time. We'll go like this. Put right here. How about a Thanksgiving Day meal? See what happens. Oops. Thanksgiving Day meal. Never done this before, so we're going to try this in real time. Let's see what we got. I am generating from the layer 2 from the top of the table. It doesn't quite know how to do a Thanksgiving Day meal. It is pretty well. The pumpkins look a little funny. I'm not too sure, but that looks pretty weird. Hey, thank you very much. We'll keep going and try to keep going with more stuff. Oh, let's try one more. Let's come over here and let's do. We'll fill with wine and cook books. See what happens. Let me see if we can add. Let me see if we can add stuff like wine and cookbooks. We are going right up. Yeah, there's nothing there. No. Well, we're going to toss this and we're going to try this one again. And we're going to go. Alright, let's see if we do this one again. Fill wine bottles. And cook. Now let's try it one more time. I know we're not crazy about the other stuff, but we're going to go and just let it see what happens. No, there's nothing really there. I can't even see what it is. No, we're just going to let it go. Maybe we didn't give it enough material. Let's try it one more time. Let's go over. There we go. Wine. Oops. All right, let's try it one more time. We're going to go, I made it bigger than I wanted it. So it knows where to put it. And now let's try it one more time. And see what happened. Wow, that's exactly what I want. All right, let's just zoom in for a second. Let's zoom in. And I do think, wow. Oh, they put a sink in. Huh. Let's see if we can come over here. Choose my, let's see if I can get this. See if I change. Ah. I don't know. Oh, we're going to live. That was really good. Huh. I don't know why it added a sink. That was really funny. I don't know why it added orange either. All right, let's go back to Command and Control 0. Wow, that was actually pretty darn good. Now let's put this all back. We're going to put this back, bar stools, the table, and the, there. I think it looks pretty darn good. Let's do Command Shift E to collapse everything. Oops. That was only the visible layers. Let's get the non-visible layers. And that's it. Hey, thank you very much for watching.